Python's execution modes, shell and script, offer distinct advantages. The interactive shell is ideal for testing small code snippets and debugging, while script mode is suited for larger, structured projects. Mastering both modes enhances your workflow, allowing for efficient development and professional software practices. Python's execution modes, interactive shell and script mode, are pivotal in shaping your development workflow. Interactive mode is ideal for quick tests, while script mode is suited for complex projects. Mastering when to use each enhances debugging and project structuring, crucial for efficient and professional Python programming. Python's two main execution modes are interactive and script mode. Interactive mode offers immediate execution and feedback, ideal for quick tests and learning. Script mode allows writing, saving, and running full programs, perfect for complex projects and reusable code. Mastering both enhances your programming capabilities significantly. The Python shell prompt, greater than, is your gateway to interactive mode, offering instant feedback. This dynamic environment allows you to execute commands and see results immediately, making it an ideal playground for experimentation and learning. Engage with Python interactively to enhance your understanding and refine your coding skills through real-time feedback. Interactive modes REPL, read, evaluate, print, loop, enhances learning by processing commands instantly. Python reads your input, evaluates it line by line, prints the result, and loops for the next command. This cycle is ideal for beginners experimenting with code snippets, like typing print hello world to see immediate output. Open your terminal and type Python to access the interactive environment. Execute commands like arithmetic operations or variable assignments to see immediate results. For instance, typing 5 plus 7 instantly displays 12. This real-time feedback is invaluable for understanding Python's behavior and refining your coding skills efficiently. Interactive mode offers rapid testing, allowing instant code snippet execution and debugging. It's learning-friendly, providing immediate feedback to enhance understanding. As an exploration tool, it enables real-time testing of libraries and application programming interfaces. However, it lacks persistence, struggles with scalability for complex programs, and presents editing challenges due to limited history navigation. Interactive mode offers rapid testing and learning, ideal for beginners. However, script mode is essential for scalability and code reusability, crucial in professional development. It supports complex projects with permanent storage and organization, making it indispensable for building robust applications and collaborating effectively. Script mode in Python involves writing code in .py files using text editors or integrated development environments, allowing for permanent code storage. It supports project organization with multiple modules, ideal for building applications with functions and classes. Use script mode for creating reusable libraries, team collaboration, version control with Git, and deploying production-ready software. To write and run a Python script, start by creating a new file named example.py in a text editor or integrated development environment. Add your Python code, ensuring proper syntax. Save the file with a .py extension. Execute it via terminal using Python example.py. This script showcases user interaction and formatted output, highlighting Python's flexibility.